You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name? This is the French name for a Smurf, the Smurfs. That's the original French name for them. Schtroumpf. Alright, Schtroumpf. Okay, so you have a sh sound to start with, then tr, so tr. Schtroumpf. 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 In English, if you cannot pronounce the French I, you can say it as Schtroumpf. Schtroumpf. I know it's a mouthful, but that's how it is. Schtroumpf. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.